Hello, welcome to this video. This video is one of a series of videos on the topic of diabetes and dental care presented by Dr. Sheldon Abramson. This video is about understanding digestion. First, let's review the topic of diabetes in Israel. According to the International Diabetes Federation, 420,000 adults suffer with diabetes. That's about 8.5% of the adult population. In addition, they estimate that another 159,000 adults likely have diabetes but have not yet been diagnosed. In this video, we're going to look at normal digestion. As we eat food, it gives us such things as carbohydrates, fat, and protein, and also fiber, water, vitamins, and minerals. All of these are needed for us to have healthy bodies and to be able to carry on our normal daily activities. In this video, we're only going to be looking at carbohydrates, that is, starches and sugars. Sugars are, for example, such items as glucose, fructose, sucrose, and lactose, names that you're probably familiar with. We're only looking at carbohydrates because those are the food items that are relevant to prediabetes and diabetes. When you eat, for example, an apple, the digestion starts in the mouth with chewing, continues in the throat and the stomach, and is finished in the small intestine. So as the apple, for example, went through that process, what happened to the carbohydrates? They were turned into glucose. It doesn't matter what the food was originally, whether it's a fruit, a vegetable, candy, or bread, the carbohydrates are turned into glucose. And that's good because glucose is what our bodies need for energy. From the small intestine, the glucose goes into the blood and then is sent to the cells. We need the glucose for all manners of activity, whether it's something rather sedentary, like playing with the baby, for example, or if it's a moderate activity like walking, or if you're really busy exercising or doing other very active things. Your body needs the glucose for energy. However, there's one other key. The body needs insulin to get glucose in from the blood into the cells. However, that's for another video. In the meantime, it's important if you have diabetes or prediabetes to choose the right dentist. Dr. Sheldon Abramson is Jerusalem's #1 dentist specializing in patients with diabetes. For appointments, you can call him at 054-433-6825. Thank you very much for watching.